Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can transpose data in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and we're going to transpose this data in this A column. So we're going to transpose to the third row over here. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the data like this. After that, we can right click on our mouse or touchpad until this option appear on your screen. Then we can click on copy and we can select the row like this. Then just right click on your mouse or your touchpad. Then click on paste spatial, and since we want to transpose, we can click on transposed, right? And if you want to transpose from row to column, you can repeat the step that I have explained to you. Okay guys, and that's how we can transpose data in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.